Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it's me Rajiv and today is 24th January 2026. So as usual, let me tell you about what is this channel. So this is a channel where I will share my journey uh, from my lowest point. You can say this is my lowest point to go higher up. So usually uh, I I make a video at night time. In this video I share everything I did from waking up till sleep. I'll going to sleep after some time, so till sleeping. So this is my idea to build a disciplined life, record my journey so I can go back and watch those uh, all the things. So there is one more option for me, and the option was to write a diary. I could i could wrote a diary, but the major reason to create this YouTube channel and upload video regularly are: first one, discipline. So if I will make a video regularly and upload it in my YouTube channel, so I will build consistency. So if you will do every day one work, it generally build consistency and discipline in yourself. First thing is discipline, or you can say consistency. Second thing is communication. So I am a person that uh, would like to be a great speaker, great communicator. uh, i I want to be able to communicate freely with anyone in English. uh, I can communicate in Hindi flawlessly, but in case of English, so in my case, if someone is telling me something in English, I can understand them completely. But when that time comes for me to say or speak, I just fumble, or my mind just go to blank, or things like that happen. So I can understand English, but I can't properly speak or uh, communicate with them. So I wanted to I wanted to resolve, or you can say uh, fix, or you can say no, not resolve, not fix is correct word. I wanted to, you can say, resolve this problem. If I will going to talk in front of camera every day in English for maybe about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, not anything special, but my daily life, what I did from waking up till I'm going to sleep. So this is kind of like a day. So what I did in the entire day. So I'm just recording it so that I can speak freely, or you can say I can build some confidence in myself to speak in front of anyone or everyone, right? So that's my motive right there. So where I was, yeah. So today is 24th of January 2026, and as you know, I am right now at my uh, home, at my village. I came to home for Saraswati Puja. So today is second day of Saraswati Puja. So I wake up around 8 a.m. Yeah, 8 a.m. I wake up around 8 a.m. And yesterday I slept around 1:30 or 2 a.m. So if you will calculate that, you will going to calculate how much time I slept. I slept around 5.5 hour or 6 hour. So approximately, no, sorry, 6 hour or 6.5 hour. So approximately I slept. I feel I will take between both of them. I slept 6 hour and 15 minutes. So I think 6 to 8 hour is a minimum time to sleep. But I would like to decrease the sleeping time a little bit more, right? So yeah, where I was, I woke up around 8 a.m. I brushed my teeth, uh, I freshen up, I eat my breakfast, and then sit with my laptop to complete a few more labs. Yeah. So after I completed around one, I think I completed one lab, and then my father called me due to some work, and I don't know if you have you can say ritual kind of thing, like if someone expires from your village or anything like that, or you can say your, what can I say, so uh, someone uh, who is our gotia can who is kind of our blood relative, uh, who expired few days ago. I have no idea about that, because right now they don't live in our village. uh, they were from our village, but they moved from here to another village. uh, so a boy age around 21, 22 expired due to illness. Condolence to the boy. uh, but when I get back to my home, I learned the news, and there is a ritual kind of thing that we need to cut our nails, and then uh, go to lake directly, and then washed our cloth, do bath, and then came back. And during those times we can't enter in our home and not even touch anything. Just a kind of ritual kind of thing. uh, we call it truth, or very kind of truth. If someone expire from our blood relative kind of thing, we just do some things. We, you can say, we follow the rules for 10, 11 days, and the entire process is for 13 days, right? So right now today is 10th day of the boy who expired. So I just cut my nail, and then go to the lake in our village, bath there, and then came back to my home. And again, I sat with my laptop. I've completed around two more labs, and then I go with my father for some urgent work, and there I uh, go to market with my father for some work. And then after coming from market, I met with one of my friend. My father came back to home, and then I stayed with my friend. And after roaming around for some time, we go to the pandal, the Saraswati puja pandal. We stayed there. There is more of my friends. We talked a little bit. We just talked for 1 hour, 1.5 or 2 hour, like that. And then I came back to home for lunch. and after I ate my lunch and I complete one more lab, arcade game lab. And then after completing one lab, my friend called me and my friend, we go to the jungle side area, and then we talked. We were just walking, uh, and then after walking, and then we go to pandal again. We are just walking around our village, just go to one place, we stayed there, we sat there, we just talk about something, uh, like education, village life around, just casual thing. Boys uh, do talk a lot when they meet their friends, just like kind of things. And then after night time, I came back to my home. I again sat with my laptop, I completed some more labs, and then I ate my dinner. And after eating my dinner, I sat with I came to my room. This is my laptop right here. I sat with my laptop, I completed 2 or 3 more labs, and those labs are lengthy. So those labs took a lot of time for me to complete. Around one lab took around 30 to 40 minutes each lab. So there were some lengthy labs, so I completed them. And right now it's about 11:30 p.m. and I am recording this video right now. So this is my entire day. I think I completely told you about everything I did in the entire day. So thank you and see you tomorrow.